Let's talk about arrays. So what is an array? This is an array. Someone may ask, how come you say a cat cage is an array? Let's take a closer look at this cat cage. Notice that this cat cage has 3 cells, and only 3 cells. Or we say the cat cage has a fixed length. In each cell, there's a cat. No matter it's a white cat or yellow cat, fat cat or thin cat, there is a cat in each cell. Or we say there is the same type of animal in each cell. If I label each cell with a number, with that number, I can access the cat in that cell. Or we say each cell of this cat cage can be indexed. Let's take a look at the formal definition of an array. An array is a container object that holds a fixed number of values of a single type. A specific element in an array is accessed by its index. So why would we use an array? Let's consider this situation. If you are developing a big enterprise application, and you have to manage 1,000 integer variables, if we use the simple variable and data type concept, then we have to declare and manage 1,000 integer variables. It is very hard to manage that. To handle such a situation, we would rather declare one array type variable and assign a value to each element of the array. With that, we literally have only one variable we need to manage.